Well, hey y'all. It's been a minute, but I thought I'd throw this out there. I've got a quick channel shout out, and this one goes to Chris at CB Model Works. Um, he does some really good building. Let me get the glare off of that. And he recently hit 500 subscribers. So, congratulations, Chris, on that milestone. Thank you for the nice words on the back of the card. And Chris did a giveaway for that subscriber milestone. If you haven't subscribed to him, head on over there, give him a look. I really like his presentation on his videos as well, so I like him quite a bit. And he did a giveaway, and I won his giveaway. Got the AMT 66 Pro Street Chevy Nova, and I probably have a version of this, but not this version of this. I did open it real quick. He sent a brand new sealed kit. Gotta love that. And open it up, and it's everything a Pro Street should be. And I've got a feeling this one's gonna get built sometime. I've got lots of others that can get chopped into Pro Street builds, but since I won this one and it's special, I'll build this one. Thanks again, Chris. Thanks everybody for staying with me. I know my videos have been sporadic lately, and I don't have any excuses. I just haven't done it. I haven't done any building whatsoever still. I'm still kind of organizing the new bench area, and there's some other things that I want to do, but they'll just have to come in time. I do want to get recording this. Oh my. 2 a.m. technically Friday night, technically Saturday morning. Yeah, that's kind of how life's been going. But thank you guys for sticking with me. I am 2 subscribers away from 400, and I'm gonna do something for that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and give me to 400, and I'll be chasing Chris before we know it. Um, yeah, just thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. Appreciate encouragement and comments and emails about getting builds stalled and all that stuff. So if you're out there and you're seeing this and you're struggling with getting something done or just getting motivation for building or life or whatever, just hang in there, and it'll always, I won't say always, but it'll probably always turn itself around. There's always tomorrow, and tomorrow always brings something new. Thanks, guys. Have a great day, and or whenever you're watching this or whatever. So here's the deal: I deliver pizza, and whatever time I deliver your pizza, I always tell you to have a good night, and this is why. Most people work during the day. Most people are not going to have a good time at work. So I tell them to have a good night. So, you know what, guys? Have a good night, and I'll see you next time.